Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha, and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Feline Mystique, a cat lover's deck and guidebook. This is by Jennifer Sodini, illustrated by Amelia Rose. Thank you so much to RP Studio, who publishes this, for sending this my way. It retails for $30 in the US and $40 in Canada, and of course, everywhere that you can legitimately purchase this will be linked in the description box below. I am so excited because this looks adorable. I love cats. I have 3 of them, so I'm excited. Let's get into it. Discover the magic, mischief, and mystery of the feline spirit with Feline Mystique. Each oracle card invites you on a playful journey of self-discovery and inner insight, guided by the charming wisdom of different cat breeds, from the gentle giant Maine Coon and the spirited Siamese to beloved tabbies and tuxedos. This deluxe set includes 53 vibrantly illustrated oracle cards in a keepsake box and illustrated 144-page guidebook with card descriptions, accompanying incantations, and sample card spreads that offer further feline wisdom. I am so excited. All right. Oh my God, biscuits. Oh, I can't. Listen, you can mute me if you just want a silent viewing, because I'm sure I'm going to be oohing and awing over this. All right. Look at how cute. We've got a little tuck box here. And here's the guidebook. Color printed. We have a table of contents, introduction, how to use the cards, sample spreads, then the cards, acknowledgements, and resources. Oh, so cute. Lots of info from how it was created, information about cats. Okay, how to use the card. This deck isn't meant to be overwhelming with esoteric complexity or overtly arcane systems. We chose the Oracle format rather than Tarot to encourage a more fluid exploration of its themes, a nod to feline energies which, like the cards themselves, remain dynamic and untamed even when you open your heart and home to use them. I often say that Oracle cards are a choose-your-own-adventure game, allowing you to expand your intuition as you gamify imagination and leverage creativity to craft your own legends. Oh, I love that. The free-spirited avenue can inspire merriment and mirth, making the mystical arts feel more expansive, lighthearted, and less dense. Okay. Each card celebrates a different feline essence, ranging from recognized breeds. Through a blending of artwork, words, symbolism, and feline energy, the cards carry an essence which you can shuffle together into an intuitive practice that feels natural and personal to you. So be here, meow. Scratching beyond the surface, stretching into alignment. Oh my gosh. We even have the chart here of neutral, spicy, and sweet. Okay. Sample spreads, pause to reflect, lingering imprints, a cat's eye view, and channeling catitude. Listen, this is already adorable. I'm loving it. We have a page number for each card. Okay, let's just dive in, shall we? Opening the tuck box. Oh, we've got it taped. Hold on. Okay. I don't want to rip the box. I always have awful luck when it comes to opening tuck boxes. All right. Back of the card. So cute. Cardstock is actually on the thicker side. I would call it medium thickness. Very flexible, snapping back. All right, we have borders. I'm going to read the title because sometimes it does not read correctly on screen, so I want to make sure it's inclusive for everybody. So it says, absolutely not. Accidents happen. This is so cute. Attunement. Let me know if you see a card that looks like your cat in the comments. Balance. This looks like our Barty. Beyond the Rainbow. Little Dorothy. Cat's Cradle. Communitas. Precious. Oh! Confidence. Cunning. This cat's getting ready for world domination. Curiosity. Oh. Dreamer. Eternal treasure. Euphoria. Extra, extra. Oh, familiar spirit. Fear. Poor thing, look at that. Fierce. Friendship. Good luck. Oh, hang in there. That poster that we all had in the 90s. Healing. Indulgence. Intuition. Jittery. Liminal. Magic. Looks similar to my Stevie. Oh, memory. Mirror. I mean, I'm adoring this deck. This is Mischief. It's so cheeky, fun, mystique. It feels unique and fresh for a cat deck. Paradox. Persnickety. Petulance. I can't. Pounce. I don't even need the guidebook. I absolutely love this already. Privacy, please. Oh my gosh. Protection. I feel like this is a great everyday deck. Rescue. Oh. Definitely something to use if you need some cheering up. Resilience. Responsibility. Sacred. Seduction. Snuggles. Oh my gosh. Superstition. Tender. The cat's meow. Traveler. Trickster. Unbothered. This is how my Stevie lays and tries to groom his stomach. It's ridiculous. Unconditional love, because he's a chonky cat. Ungovernable. Oh, I love it. Vibe check. Watcher. Oh. and wild at heart. Listen, I love it. I am so excited to get to know it on a more personal level. Let's see how it shuffles. Oh yeah. Overhand. Nice. No complaints. Let's get a card to read, please. Okay, Curiosity. A reminder of what it looks like. All right, Curiosity. This is really cool that it gives you the breed. So we have Russian blue and the alignment is neutral spicy. Okay, curiosity and cats are thick as thieves, transforming any room within their domain into a playground of discovery. Every hidden corner, flicker of light, and shadowed nook becomes part of their endless quest to explore, perch, hide, swat, or pounce with enthusiasm. As the old proverb goes, curiosity killed the cat, but satisfaction brought it back, which in today's terms loosely translate to F around and find out. The archetype of the curious cat appears in countless characters, but none quite as apt as Tom Cat from Tom and Jerry, created by William Hanna and Joseph Barbera, 1940. Tom's endless escapades filled with perilous antics as he strives to catch Jerry Mouse embody the thrill of the chase. His adorable and elusive prize, always just out of reach, keeps him tumbling forward with irrepressible determination. In our human experience, curiosity is a precious resource. It's the activity center where ideas run free, innovation climbs, and the spirit of discovery abounds. We're often chasing that exhilarating feeling when potential feels so close we can reach out and touch the fruits of our faith. It is that chase that keeps propelling us forward, always hungry for more. Yet we often forget that there's also something satisfying about the momentum itself. If you've pulled this card, it's time to embrace curiosity, appreciate the chase, and remain adaptable, even when it feels like a fool's errand. When we embrace the quest for its own sake, curiosity becomes less about conquest and more about discovery. If reversed, perhaps you're feeling uninspired or indifferent, stuck in a rut that needs shaking up. It's time to break free, recapture the moment, and invite some frivolous fun into your life. Ultimately, this card asks, what would happen if Tom ever actually caught Jerry? Would his dream dissolve in the moment if it's realized? The allure of the chase holds a tantalizing mirage of absolutes, but perhaps the true satisfaction lies not in catching the prize, but in savoring the adventure itself. And then there's the incantation. Chaos births universes. Curiosity builds worlds. My dreams and desires keep me searching for more. Within the voyage, I remember joy in the chase. Forever curious, novelty fosters delight within this infinite space. Okay, I'm sold. I love it. I absolutely think this is adorable. And what a fun concept. The writing, the guidebook itself is very straightforward. I love that it gives you an example of, a cat in the wild, let's just say. And it seems like that is the case for most of this. I really enjoy the playfulness of it. I love that it doesn't take itself too seriously. I love that, we have just a bunch of different cat breeds. I love that it's like an everyday deck that you can use regardless of what type of reading you want to do. Very fun. The art is phenomenal. This is my type of deck, like for sure. I love the whimsy. I love the expressions. I love the keywords. Everything about this deck is just so fun. Bright colors. It's a vibe for sure. But I understand if cats aren't your thing, but this is just so much fun. I'm just very impressed. I love it. I think it's great. I am now going to be using it a lot in my own personal readings. I'm excited to get to know it on a more personal level. And now I would love to know your thoughts on this deck. Are you excited about it? Are you a cat person? Did you see any cats that were reminding you of your cat in this deck? Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop a cat emoji of your choice to let me know you have. Thank you so much to RP Studios and Jennifer Sodini for sending this deck my way. I am elated. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.